Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of this Bluetooth earphones from the brand Ambrane. The model number is Bass Band Lite. So let's get started. Now these are Bluetooth earphones from the brand Ambrane. You can see the branding over here. They have this comfortable fit. It's mentioned on the side of it. Now on the back side of the box, you can see some great features like it has Bluetooth connectivity. There is voice assistant. You can do hands-free calling. Plus there is tangle-free cable. You get a playback time and this comes with high bass. That means you can enjoy your music in a very nice manner. Now Bluetooth is 5.0, that means you can connect your Android, your iPhone, your Windows easily. Plus it's comfortable and secure fit. The battery capacity is 120 mAh and the playtime that you get is 6 hours and the driver size is 10 mm, which is great. Now let me quickly open the box and show it to you how they look like. So you get a user manual inside the box. It talks about the product, its features, silicone ear tips, and everything is mentioned in detail. And this is the Bluetooth earphones. Let me remove the cable nicely. Now the brand says it's a tangle-free cable. This is how it looks. So yeah, quite flexible, not very tight, quite light in weight, so you can twist and turn however you want to keep it. Plus you also get this magnetic lock over here. So when you're not using them, this is how they will remain. And it's lightweight, you can hang them around your neck for a longer period of time as well. You get the charging cable and let me quickly, this is the charging slot where you put the cable. So yeah. You get the charging cable, you also get extra set of ear tips. So just in case you're not okay with this ear tips, you can try this different size as well. And you also get a thank you card from the brand Ambrane. So this was it in the unboxing video. You get the Bluetooth earphones, you get the user manual, you get the charging cable, a thank you card and some extra set of ear tips. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Stay tuned in for more.